Hello everyone, I hope this finds you well. I want to help you answer the question if whether sharing YouTube link to Facebook or WhatsApp reduces the number of viewers. Now the answer is no. In fact, sometimes may increase the number of viewers in your video, but this will depend on how and where you're going to post this or share this link. So if you post on Facebook, Facebook limits external links. So Facebook normally or often reduces or limits external links posted on Facebook. WhatsApp is direct and it will depend on loyal followers. So it will either increase or depending on how your loyal followers view the video. Thank you very much.